Nisha, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a full face makeup with a purplish eye look. If you new here, please take some time to view the content of my channel and press the red subscribe button. If you want to know how I create this purplish look, then please keep watching. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
At first, I brush my brows with a spoolie. I am using this eyebrow pencil from Maybelline in shade dark brown. If you want to know detailed review of this product and how I define my brows, then check my previous video. Link is already given below in my description box. So I have done my brows. Next, I use this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in shade Sand to clean up my brow edges. I am applying this concealer on the top of my brows and the bottom of my brows also and blend it with my fingers. I am using Miss Clear Full Coverage Eye Base in shade 4 with the help of Pro RT-PF01 brush and apply it all over my eye area. The texture of this concealer is very creamy. With a small blender, I blend the concealer nicely. Next, I am applying this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in shade Medium to set the concealer for a smooth base. Today I am gonna use this You Can Be Fruit Pie Filling Palette with the help of Pro RT-PE22 brush, picking up these two shades and apply on my crease area and blend it nicely. With a small blending brush, pick up these colors together and put it in my outer V with rounding motion and blend it with the previous shade. Not extend this color too much. With the fluffy blending brush, picking these shades together and blend it. Make sure there are no harsh lines. After that, I apply concealer shortly on my lid only. With a flat shader brush, pick up this nice glittery shade and apply all over my lid. With the pencil brush, blend the edges with the earlier shade. Then I use this makeup removing wipes to clean the fallout shadows and starting my face makeup. I am gonna use this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. This is creamy in texture. This primer helps to blur the skin. Then I use this color correcting palette from Nykaa in shade 02. Picking up this orange corrector and apply it on my dark spots, acne spots and pigmented area. And blend it. Today I am gonna use this L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation in shade 250. With the help of brush, distribute the product all over my face. I am using this flat stripping brush from Maybelline to blend the foundation evenly. For extra smooth base, I use this Nykaa blender and blend it with small dabbing motion all over my face. After that, I applying this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in shade Sand to highlight my under eyes, forehead, nose and chin area. The texture of this concealer is buttery smooth As you can see, it blends like heavenly. For detailing review, you can check my previous video. Link is already given below in my description box. Then I use this Fit Me loose powder with a big powder brush on my under area first to avoid creasing, and also brush it all over my face and neck to set the base perfectly. Next, I use this mini bronzer from Sugar with an angular brush from Wet n Wild to contour my face and jawline also. With a small brush, I contouring my nose for sharpness. After that, I use this fluffy blush brush to pick up the blush from Sugar in shade Peachy Pink and apply it on the apple of my cheeks. Also blend this with the bronzer. With this loose powder, I sharpen up my contour. Then I apply this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter in shade Precious Petal to highlight my cheekbones, forehead, the bridge of nose and whenever I like to apply. With a pencil brush, I pick up this shade and put it on my lower lash line and connect to the upper V. Then I pick up this dark shade to smoke it out. Then curl up my lashes and apply this Maybelline Colossal Mascara all over my lashes. Before applying lipstick, I moisture my lips with Badi Herbal Lip Balm. Then outline my lips with a lip liner. For lipstick, I am gonna use this beautiful color from Maybelline named Nude Nonce. It smells really good, and apply it all over my lips. I also use this from Lakme 925 Lip and Cheek Color in shade Pump Leather to enhance the color of my lipstick and good to go. And this is the final look.
Hope you will like this video. Please subscribe my channel, give a thumbs up and hit the bell icon, and you will never miss any update from my channel. That's why I finished my video. I will meet you again in my next video. Till then, tata and